search the perimeter, see if we can find a way in.
You got it. Yeah, I've definitely seen this from the road. I was like, hey, that looks pretty cool.
Back to that hole right there.
If it was bigger, you could. Which door are we gonna try first? That one? Down there?
Yeah, no, you know what's definitely better in here. Just trying to find a way in.
Probably lift this up.
Oh, try that actually.
There's no walking inside.
Oh my god.
You wanna help?
That was easy. Alright, let's close it though. That was easy.
Oh yeah.
Is there a way upstairs? Oh yeah, go that way.
Do they like use this place?
I was gonna say, it kind of looks a little used down here.
Oh, they definitely probably use this place. Use this place.
Like it looks like they don't use it, but maybe kind of do. Like it's definitely not usable. It wasn't. Okay.
I think this is in use. No. Okay, down a level.
Oh, okay. Oh. This is cool. What is it though? What is any of this shit? There's nothing back here. No. Whoa. At the hop.
I think we lost some.
No, there's like a bathroom. That was cool. Onward.
Yeah, this place is mostly mowed.
Yeah, what the hell? There we go.
Everything's on top.
I was like, I thought it was just going right back out. There's a ladder right there. Oh, wow. Okay, there's something in this room. Should go up there.
That's just storage, there's nothing.
Oh, I gotta go up there. I got to. This ladder feels like shit. Wow. Oh, there's a saw up here. That's cool. I came out.
Cobwebs all over you.
Really? Oh.
Yeah. I think I got it all. Hey, you're good.
Oh yeah.